was the red?
Talent boy has actually gotten good in PvP, but he's not gotten better than me.
Hasn't even got better than me.
What?
Today this is the challenge, guys. I don't know. I didn't start an intro. I don't care. Start.
You don't care.
Very bad gesture, guys. Gesture is very bad, and he's gonna cut out when I'm saying that. Oh, why am I rushing?
Yeah, actually, you're not.
Ah!
How did you fall? You said you gotten good at this.
Because I was bridging, and I was at the tip of the bridge, and suddenly I just got up.
Why did you not? Okay,
Finally,
it's fine.
the Christie's talent faith is back.
Talent fails back.
Talent.
I just broke my back. I have a chest pain. You guys know that?
Wait, really? Now you're
No.
getting old now?
No, dude.
Oh my god, Chris.
I was just kidding.
Oh my god, Tan Boy is gotten old now. Phew, bro.
Bro.
Because I mean I'm playing
Hello
with
there.
J-Star,
How are
right?
we
That's
doing?
why.
What? Oh!
Sorry, bro.
Oh, I didn't even see him.
Sorry, mate. I gotta do it. I have to do what I have to do. Okay, hello there.
Hello
I have to kill
there.
you. I'll kill Talent Boy as
Yeah,
well.
that was a good one. Hello there.
Talent Boy.
What?
I'll kill Talent Boy as well. Come here.
No.
Come
No,
here.
no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Frick me.
On. No. I have only life is
There we
left
go.
for me.
I'm not able to place blocks.
Yeah, you won't
Yeah,
be
you
able to
can't.
place
In
blocks
certain
there.
areas you
At a
can't.
certain area, you won't be able to place blocks. You have to like jump from trees and stuff.
I like the way how Ozer says what?
What?
Made no sense.
There you go.
Wait, what the hell? I have the
Ah,
most
there you
horrible
go.
sword ever.
I got a MML.
And here we go. I'm going to kill Talent Boy again.
That was good. That
Da,
was a
da,
cool
da,
one.
da, da, da,
That was a
da, da.
cool one. Okay, there you go.
Talent. Which sword does Jeffrey have?
I don't know. How will I know?
Which sword do you have?
No.
Surprise!
Dude. No, I just got 5 emeralds. Please.
Give me the 5
Leave me
emeralds.
alone.
I
Please
need
leave
my
me alone.
5 emeralds. There you go.
Dude.
Nice. Got 5 emeralds.
Dude.
J-Star, which sword do you have?
I just have an iron sword.
What,
That-
gold?
J-Star is just idiot.
I took on, bro. I'm going
And now
straight.
he's going to buy diamond sword.
No, yeah, diamond sword, proud about. No, I'm
Yeah, no, I'm
green.
I have iron sword, dude. You can't kill me.
What is-
Can't kill me. You idiot! You idiot!
You actually destroyed.
You idiot!
You actually destroyed. You actually destroyed. Let's go. How did you do
Why
that?
is it not dying? Oh, finally.
Yeah,
Oh,
it
he
is
had
dying.
6 diamonds.
Dude, that is so OP. Alright.
I don't get. You had 6 diamonds.
Yeah, I had 6 diamonds.
Wait, where is it?
Dude. There you go. I can buy a good sword now.
I hate you. I need to go for your bed.
Dude, why is... What? I never saw you, Jason! Jason, you did...
There we go.
His bed? Jason, you broke his bed?
Yeah, I killed him as well.
Yeah, I never saw Jason coming.
He was there like, what is this?
I didn't
What?
see Jason even coming.
Yeah, I know. You were taken so much by surprise. Where's
I
green
never
one?
saw Jason coming.
Yeah, I know. You were taken so much by surprise.
I already broke.
Okay, now
Yeah,
the
that was
only
a
one is
big
left is.
surprise, man.
Okay, now Talent Boy
Oh
is the
no,
only
he
one
has
left.
diamond armor. He has diamond armor.
Now he's the only one who's left.
Yes, and you can't even... Okay, I can't even protect you because I'm in spectator
Oh,
mode.
diamond sword. Diamond sword is shooting me from like 7 blocks now. I guess. And I am dead. Okay, that's it.
I won, boys.
What?
I mean,
Third? And third? Even
I
though
wasn't fair
break,
at all.
even though I break that, guys.
and I felt great.
This one.
Okay,
Let's go for Jeffrey.
Bruh,
Yes,
this is
yes.
so
Because
low.
it's contagious.
What
Ozer,
contagious?
let's go for completely J Star, okay?
One second, let me just buy a wool. 1 second.
Wait, you do realize you need to
Let's
get like
completely go for J Star's bed.
Do you realize what?
you have to protect your bed as well. You know that, right?
Yeah, I know.
We'll go for his bed, okay?
Okay, sure.
Okay, come to the emerald. Build the bridge. Did you start building? Wait.
I'm starting.
You're in red? Which team are you?
Yes.
He's in red, yeah,
Red,
he's in
red,
red.
red.
I can see literally red building. Oh no no no! Phew! I just lost my all the blocks. Hmm. Guys, my ping is very low. Okay. What is J Star
How
doing?
does J Star? How does J Star reach the emerald so fast?
I didn't even reach there. I still have to
Glitching.
bridge more.
What?
Oh, good.
Who is red? Who is red?
I'm red. Oh god, I need to go for.
Dude,
Oh
I'm
no,
blue.
J
We
Star is
are
going to
one
reach.
team, okay? We are one team.
Wait, what do you mean one
Okay,
team? You guys
sure.
are. Oh wait, yeah.
Ha ha
Yes,
ha.
we are one team. And gonna hit
Oh,
you back. Okay, got some emeralds. Emerald.
did you already reach the emerald spawner?
Oh, hello there.
Whoa! Whoa! Dude, come.
I'm coming.
Dude, I'm dead. I died.
You-
What's that? We have to be together. Dude.
Oh, hello there.
Okay.
Come.
Oh god, I didn't see him. Yeah. I have an iron sword. Sucks to be you right now.
Did you die?
Oh my god, he actually has an
I'm
iron
gonna
sword.
kill him. I killed him.
Jesus Christ.
I killed him. Let's go.
Let's go.
He had 5
Let's
emeralds.
go. Let's do
He had 5
it.
emeralds.
Okay, okay. 5 emeralds. Go and buy a
Hey, let me go.
dinosaur. Good.
Yes, I'm going.
Oh
Get
my
sucked,
god,
J
you guys
Star.
are
Get sucked.
actually teaming up, aren't you?
Yeah.
Don't
What?
kill me, please.
I have an idea. I'm not going to let my these. Wait, what?
What?
Well,
How
you
did
guys
I...
You
didn't
went for
see.
your bed.
If you die, you're dead, mate. If you tan boy, if you die, you're dead.
Oh god, that's dangerous.
Wait, where's all the emeralds?
Hello, J Star.
Oh, it doesn't
Behind you.
matter though.
Yeah,
Wait,
I
for some
kept the
reason.
diamond sword. Oh god, I'm lagging. I was lagging. No, I was lagging. Shit. No. I'm lagging. I'm actually lagging. I lagged.
J-Star, I broke
Yeah.
your bed.
Cool. Now let me kill you now.
You did?
Yeah, I broke his bed.
Good.
There you go.
I died.
Killed him.
Oh god, he's
But
coming for me. He's definitely.
now red and green have to fight.
I'll come
You-
second position again.
I
I can't.
just
A chance though.
Still a chance. You may
he
never
was
know.
in my bed. J-Star was near my bed. So I just went and Ozer, J-Star have bought all
What?
the diamond armor, okay?
Yeah, I'm gone for sure.
Literally. Okay. J-Star is coming for your bed, okay?
I'm going
I
directly
don't see
for your
him.
bed.
He's coming. Dude, I'm back of him.
Yeah, actually
Yeah,
back
I'm
with
back
me.
of him. I'm literally back of him. I'm in spectator mode. Ozer, be careful. He's coming for you. And where is Ozer? Dude. Dude, he have the best armor and he's gonna kill you for sure.
100%.
Well, yeah, that.
You don't even have diamond sword?
I don't have diamond sword though.
Come on, come on, chill,
Coming,
chill,
he's
chill,
coming
chill,
for your
chill,
head.
chill,
He's
chill,
coming for your head.
chill.
Dude, take your sword. Take your sword. What?
Wait, you're spinning around me.
Can't okay, okay.
Oh my god, J-Star! Ozer is gonna
Is
die.
he-
I'm damn shit. Okay.
How are you kidding? How are you shooting me from like 7 blocks?
It's called spam clicking. It's called crit action. Wait. Wait, why did you swim?
Ah.
I'm so dead. I am.
Bro, that's a. Wait, where are you? There you are.
Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. I'm literally watching him. Okay,
There you
yeah.
are.
Why does J-Star always
How
lose
many
to-
hearts were you on? How many hearts were you on, Jeffrey?
I lost
Ozer,
2
do you
hearts
wanna
from
play
that.
one
I
more
lost
game?
2 hearts. I lost 2 hearts. Wait, one sec. Let me. Wait, what's happening to my
My
ping?
ping is perfectly alright.
Wow. I think I have to reload my ping, my server again. This is crashing so much.
Oh, dude, one second.
Wait one sec. I also come. One sec. What's happening to my internet today? I guess we get some more.
I came back.
I have horrible internet right now. What's happening? Should I need to rejoin again? I think I have to rejoin again. I don't know. Dude, I have horrible ping right now. There we go. Dude, this internet is amazing. What is this? What is this internet, bro? You're not even speaking for me. I think that's how bad my internet is.
Okay, dude. I was just muted. I was talking, but no, I was not talking. My siblings was crying a lot.
Cool, cool. I don't know what is happening to my internet. It's going horrible.
I see.
I'm getting proper two. I'm kidding. I'm getting like proper 1,000 ms. This, like
Sad. That's so sad.
who can defeat me with this amazing ping?
I can do that. Vic, actually, which sword do you have?
I have no idea. I don't think it's working. Game is lagging. It's not working. Uh,
Dude,
yeah.
why did I just waste my all diamonds? Ooh.
Wow, this is some amazing
Jester, do
internet.
you want to hear something?
No, I cannot
Jester, do
hear.
you want to hear something?
No, I don't want to. I have things in my own. The thing is, I have my TV is blasting at full internet, full sound. You might be able to hear it. I have no idea.
No, I can't hear it. I'm coming for your bed.
Oh, okay, okay, cool, cool.
Come here, 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 come here. Oh, dude!
See, that's why I said.
Wait.
You're not. I'll come for your bed.
Today I and Jester are playing Bed Wars together, and Jester have a really good ping, and he's trying to defeat me, and I will get defeated very fast. So guys, I'm getting defeated. One, go. Okay. I got defeated. Let's go. No, 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 no.
Okay, now
You.
leave.
Jessa, can you hear me? Jessa, can you hear me?
Of course, I can hear you. Okay. And
Okay.
we win these. Haha. Yeah, to be honest, you didn't win one match. Yesterday we played like 2 matches, you lost both of them. Today we lost one
No,
match. You...
I just broke. I just broke. At least I broke. I mean, Oz's map. I mean, Oz's bed.
Yeah, to be honest, that's actually a big. To be honest, that's actually really good.
Yeah,
Now that you know how to bridge,
and I just want and PvP. I just want PvP with J Star. I mean, no. Ozer.
Uzer. The thing is, you are getting good at PvP, but it's still. I might have to teach you how to do that as well. I might have to.
Yeah, I already studied how to bridge so fast. Now I'm so faster than you. In
And I
PvP.
fell. Great, let's go. I fricked.
Oh wow! That's
I tried
cool.
to. I tried to
I
speed
didn't
bridge. I
fall.
tried to speed bridge, but it failed.
Oh no 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 no! Phew! My wool just finished. Thank God I was crouching. What's happening?
Mm.
My heart just stopped for a second.
Bro.
Ah,
Yeah.
I cut off.
Okay.
Just did you know that did you know that when you sneeze your heart stops?
When you?
When you sneeze your heart stops for a second.
I have no
Did you
idea
know
that
that?
happens.
Yeah, that happens because when you sneeze you feel a pressure, right?
Yeah.
That's because of this heart is just stopping for a second.
Wow, facts with
You can
Talon
search in
Boy.
any Google.
We just changed the our. Let me just
Yeah,
change
let's
my
go.
title to facts with Talon Boy. To be
I already changed it.
one step ahead. I don't have enough for that. Okay. Okay.
Nice.
You ain't reached that place, bruh. You reached way faster than me.
Yeah, that's what I know how to fast bridge now, dude.
But thing is, you
Okay,
didn't.
I guess
Y-
I have to fight you.
I'll just push you off again.
Okay, I have got enough emeralds. I've got enough emeralds for what do you say?
A sword?
Dude. For a no, good sword. Yeah, good sword. Fast. Dude, come on, go fast, idiot. Let me buy a good sword, a good block. Yep.
Damn it, you are so close to dying. You're so close to dying.
What? I just killed you, dude.
Yeah, man, you kill me. Great.
Dude, what? Okay, let me buy a protection. How much diamond? 2 diamonds. Okay, I got 2 diamonds. Where did I get diamonds from? I didn't even build the bridge to the diamonds.
Yeah, I gave you that.
IDK. What? No.
Yeah, when you kill me, right, you get the diamonds. That's from me.
I'm literally in half life. When I fought with you, I was literally in half alive.
Yeah, I know. I guess we win the.